fish. G is for grapes. H is for hat. I is for ice cream. J is for jam. K is for kite. L is for lion. M is for moon. N is for nest. O is for octopus. P is for pig. Q is for kilt. R is for rainbow. S is for sun. T is for tree. U is for